Okay, it is mathematics again, and we continue from where we are ended the last period. So today we are going to check another subtopic in algebra, and this one is so-called the substitution, and not just a substitution. So we substitute different variable. So we have given the value of a variables and you substitute there. So that's why it's so-called the substitution. What is substitution? Simply here is a process of replacing. Substitution is a process of replacing each variable by a given value of it. So the process in which a variable can be replaced by its value, that method is so called the substitution. So it is like it make a sub in a match. So that's the meaning of substitution. So one is entering and another is coming out. So that's the way of substitute. So you just interchange. So the process in which the variable is being replaced by its value, that one is also called the substitution. Okay, let us go and check an examples here very quickly without wasting our time. Example number 1, it says if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3, find the value of a plus 2b. So you are given the value of a is 5, the value of b is 3. So you are required to find the value of a plus 2b. So in order to get the value of a plus 2b, what you are supposed to do? So you just required to substitute the value of a in a and the value of b in b. So you replace the value of the letter a by its value and the letter b by its value. So let us go and see the solution here. So when you have a plus 2b, this is the same as you replace letter by its value. So the value of a is 5. So instead of writing a, you are writing 5 there plus 2b. But instead of writing b, you write 3 there. So when you say 2b, so that means it is 2 times b. So here is the same as you say 5 and 2, 3 into bracket. But between bracket and 2, it means there is multiplication. So this is the same as you take 2 times 3. And when you say 2b, this means 2 times b. So it is 5 plus 2 times 3. So when you multiply there 2 times 3, you get 6. So this is the same as you take 5 add 6 and 6 obtained by taking 2 times 3. You get 6. Now 5 add 6, the answer is 11. So when you take 5 you add by 6, you get the answer which is 11. So therefore a plus 2b, the answer is 11. So when you take a, you add by 2b, the answer you get is 11. So this is how you substitute. Let us go and check example b. 1b. So 1 to 6 b. Now 1b, it say 2a plus 3b. But you know the value of a is 3. The value of a, is 5. And the value of b is 3. So in solution here, you replace those letters by its value. So instead of writing a, you write 5. And instead of writing b, you write 3. But remember, when you say 2a, that means 2 times a. And when you say 3b, that means 3 times b. So there, 2a plus 3b is the same as 2 into bracket, 2, 5 into bracket, add 3 into the bracket. But you know when you say 2, 5 into bracket, it means 2 times 5. And when you say 3 into bracket, it means 3 times 3. So when you take 2 times 5, you get 10. And 3 times 3, you get 9. So it's the same as 10 plus 9. How do you get 10? You take 2 times 5, you get 10. you add by 3 times 3, you get 9. So 10 add 9, the answer is obviously known, 19. So therefore 2a plus 3b, the answer is equal to 19. Okay. C, but C it say 7a minus 4b. 7a minus 4b, you know the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 3, so just substitute there. So in solution you have 7a minus 4b is equal to 7, 5 into bracket minus 4, 3 into the bracket. But you know there into the bracket this means multiply, so it's the same as 5 times 7 minus 4 times 3. Now 7 times 5, the answer is 35, and 4 times 3, the answer is 12. So you have 35 minus 12, and the answer is 23. So therefore 7a minus 4b, the answer is 23 for that given value. Okay, let's go to example number 2. Example number 2, it says if x is equal to 3, find the value of 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. So let's see the solution. We substitute there the value of x we are given. The value of variable x is 3, so you are supposed to know the value of that one. So 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, this is the same as 3 into bracket square, because it is x square, so it means that value of x must be squared, and the value of x is 3. So it is 2 into bracket 3 square minus 4 into bracket 3 plus 5. But when you say 3 square, this means 3 times 3. And when you take 3 times 3, the answer is obviously known, it is 9. So this is the same as you take 2, 9 into bracket. How do you get 9? Because it's 3 square, so take 3 times 3. And note you take the square throughout the 2 and 3. No, square is only for 3 because it is x, and the value of x is 3. So 3 times 3 you get 9, and minus 4 times 3 you get 12. You add by 5. Now 2 times 9, the answer is 18, minus 12, add 5. By following the rules of body mass, there is subtraction there and the addition, so you start by adding, and you add 18, add 5, minus 12. Now 18 add 5, the answer is 23. Now 23 subtract 12, the answer is 11. So therefore 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, the answer is equal to 11. So when the value of variable x is 3, then the answer must be equal to 11. Okay, let's go to example number 3. Example number 3, here you are given if x is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 2, and z equal to 3. Find the value of x squared, add y squared, add z squared, minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. Let's see the solution. You just substitute. So instead of writing x, you are writing 2. Instead of writing y, you are writing negative 2. And instead of writing z, you are writing 3. So now let's see the solution how it came. So now x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx will be equal to, now instead of having x, you have 2. Now because x is square, so we have 2 into bracket square, plus instead of having y square, the value of y is negative 2. So we have negative 2 square, plus instead of having z, we have the value of z of c is 3, so we have 3 square minus 2 into bracket 2 into bracket 2, negative 2. So this 2 and negative 2 is the value of y and z the value of x and y respectively. So here you have 2xy minus 2xy, but the value of x is 2 and the value of y is negative 2. So that's why you have 2 into bracket 2 into bracket and a negative 2 into bracket, which means it is minus 2 times 2 times negative 2. Again you subtract by 2yz, but the value of y is negative 2 and the value of z is 3, and that's why I write there negative 2 and 3, minus 2zx, but the value of z is 3 and the value of x is 2. So by doing calculations there, you get the answer. 2 square, this is 2 times 2, you get 4. Negative 2 square, this means negative 2 times negative 2, you get 4. You add there by 3 times 3, you get 9. That's the meaning of 3 square. Take away. Now you multiply. Make sure you take that 2 with its sign. So instead of taking minus there, simply you take, now you assume that 2 is minus, so you take 2 with its sign. So there you take negative 2 times positive 2, you get negative 4. Now negative 4 times negative 2, you get positive 8, and that's why there I write add 8. Again take away 2, negative 2 into bracket, positive 3 into bracket. So there you take negative 2, take 2 with its sign, so you take negative 2 times negative 2, you get positive 4. Now positive 4 times 3, you get 12. So that's why you write there add 12, which means it's positive. And there lastly is minus 2, 3 into bracket, 2 into bracket. So now you take negative 2 times 3, you get 6, negative, and that negative 6 times 2, you get negative 12, and that's why I write minus 12. So the answer will be negative. Now by adding 4, add 4, add 9, add 8, add 12, you get 37. But that 37 you subtract by 12 by the rules of Badmas. You start by adding, then subtracting. Now 37 take away 12, the answer is 25. So therefore x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx equal to 25. Remember, while you are solving these substitution questions, to remember to follow the rules of integers, specifically on multiplication as well as on subtraction and addition, also division. So make sure that if you multiply two negative number, the answer will be positive, and if you multiply negative and positive, the answer will be negative. So remember to follow the rules of the bonus and the rules of integers. Now you add, you subtract, and you divide and multiply an integers. So be careful with that. So and while you substitute, if there is a minus, assume that is a negative number, multiply inside the, multiply with the numbers with those number in brackets, so as to get either sign which is positive or negative. So let us end it today here, and we'll continue on the next session. So I leave you with this exercise here. That is exercise. Find the value of A, that one, and B, that one. Question number 2 is that one, and question number 3 is that one. So do the same. After finishing, take a photo to your solution, then send to me through WhatsApp so as we can do correction. Thank you. May God bless you. Bye bye.